Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.